Bonjour, it's Marianne Lecoeur, and today in this video I am going to show you the essential tool that can help you to create outfits the professional way. Do you have a problem creating outfits and visualizing the end product, the end outfit? But would you like some help? Would you like a little assistant to help you with your outfits? So this video today is about this little assistant that professionals use. So the tailors, the designers, the stylists, etc. And certainly I do use them as well. So here you go, my assistants. So I have actually two assistants, the before and the after. So I really like these dummies because I can dress them, I can create outfits and see, what works, what doesn't work. I can step back far enough to see at a glance if it works or if it doesn't work. And you can walk around the dummy, the outfit, and see the outfit from all angles. So this is one of my mannequins. Basically it's just a body, okay, female torso, that you can dress the way you want. So why do I use it? First of all, professionals use it. You create your outfit, you put the dress on, see how it fits, how it suits. So they come in various sizes. Of course, we choose the size that we prefer, as close to our own size if possible, and you can they're very easy to use and adjust. You can vary the height. Let's see. Okay, and you can adjust it. You can put it lower or higher. If you have a long dress, you may want it higher. Shorter dress, lower. You do what you want, so you can use it. And the good thing, you turn it around, you have a look at how everything fits. But what if your shape is not an hourglass, you're going to ask me? So you can also find some dress forms, for instance, that are adjustable, and you can adjust the bust, you can adjust the shoulders, you can adjust the waist and the hips, the bottom and everything, so they are more of your shape and your size. Also, what if you have one of those and you have not got an adjustable model? No need to throw this one away. What you can do is, according to your size, do your measurements. And maybe if you have a bigger bust, put a bra on the model and maybe, pad the bra in, with socks or, whatever you have at hand, to pad the model. So the mannequin has a bust of your size. What about the waistline? What if your waistline is larger or you have a larger tummy? What if you have, for instance, an apple? So you would pad this area here, maybe with a towel. You put a towel here and maybe you adjust it with safety pins. You could do the same with your hips if you have a pair. You could do the same as well with the shoulders. What about all shoulder pads maybe that you have? You could pad it here. So this is the outfit that I have dressed the mannequin. Simple blouse and a skirt. So you can try everything you want. So I'm going to show you now how I dress the mannequin. So I created this outfit in front of you, trying this, trying that, see what works. I stepped out and looked back in, I had to tuck the sweater inside the skirt to make it look better. I did a scarf, but I would look back, is the scarf too much? Because let's not forget, this is a print, so maybe, I decide not to have this scarf maybe is too busy, you have to do this. You see, you step back, you have a look. This gives you the opportunity to create really good outfits that work for you. Also, one of the really very good benefits of using a dummy is that it's so much better than a hanger. Because on a hanger everything is flat, there is no shape. Whereas on a dummy you can see the shape, how it all works. And it makes a difference when you want to tuck things in, when you want it to look from all angles, you know, because on a hanger you will not see how the outfit, you know, the suit, the feel of the outfit really. So, of course, if you haven't got a dummy, you can still use a hanger. This is the dummy, the step up from the hanger, and you can create your outfit, as I've created a video on how to create an outfit to go. This is handy, but you can do the outfit to go on your dummy. Another added benefit of using dummies is, of course, they replace you, but you can see the outfit. You can prepare an outfit, for instance, for special occasions, for a wedding, for a party, for a job interview, or for an award ceremony, anything like this. So you prepare the outfit. Let's say you have the main piece, let's say you have the dress, and you try different things, but as you step back, like, not quite sure, so leave it today, have a look, and say, okay, I've got an idea, I'll put this other piece of jewelry, and you walk out, you know, the next day you go, okay, or maybe not this piece of jewelry, but instead this scarf. But you know, try different things with a jacket, different shoes as well, and it makes you get used to the outfit before you wear it, and you know, also teaches you what makes an outfit good and what doesn't always work with an outfit. That teaches you that to create outfits that always work for you and that you will enjoy wearing. You see, and you don't have to get dressed, get undressed, all the time. Just dress your dummy. Try a piece and another piece. So once you get used to doing things like that, pick up your style journal and start making notes. Start taking photographs of each outfit, maybe different stages of the outfit, maybe an outfit that does not work because of this element, of that piece of something else, and also makes note of what the outfit makes it work. You see, that is important. As I said before in a different video, it is important to know what works, but also it is important to know what doesn't work. You make lots of notes, and by doing this, you see, by taking notes, by taking notice, you train your eye to see at a glance if the outfit works. Okay, you will learn what makes this outfit busy or not too busy. Have a look at the print, have a look at the colors, how they work together. That will teach you so much to have this style journal, believe me. So one thing with dummies is that you can dress them with skirts or dresses, but what about trousers? What if you have a pair of trousers and you want to create an outfit with a dummy? Of course, you can't put it in because of the center leg. You haven't got two legs like this. It's not like those dummies in the shops. You only have one center. So I'm going to show you what I do. So I will remove the jacket to make it easier to see. And now what you would do is you put it here at the front like that. So this is it, the trousers here. So with the belt at the front to hold it in place. It's not, a belt. And you see around the dummy here. And that's the trousers. So I can see the outfit. So I can still create an outfit with trousers on a dummy. I do it this way. You could use a scarf or you could use something else. A ribbon maybe, something like that. So to hold it in place. So this is a way that you can use a dummy with dresses, with skirts, with trousers, with jackets and coats and all the accessories. So please let me know in the comments below what you think about using a dummy at home to create your outfits, because they are so easy to use and also such a great help, a great assistance for you, in your closet when you try to create outfits and also getting ready for a special occasion. And please make sure that you don't miss my next video, because I will show you how to wear this checked skirt on the dummy and I'll show you various outfits. I will link to some dummies below this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share with your many friends. And don't forget to subscribe, of course. And I'll see you in my next video. Au revoir.